new housing, new schools, and a new water reservoir. In the Willoughby area of Langley, Metro Vancouver is building infrastructure to meet the growing demand for drinking water in communities south of the Fraser River, with the construction of the Jericho Reservoir.
What's happening today is we are pouring concrete for the Jericho Reservoir project. The concrete is going to be for the bottom slab of the valve chamber. This is the first major concrete pour for the project. Leading up to this point, we've done a lot of excavation and earthworks.
Phase 1 of the project includes an above-ground reservoir beside the existing Willoughby Reservoir, which is owned and maintained by the Township of Langley. The new reservoir will have an above-ground valve control chamber, 2 above-ground water storage cells, and the ability to add a 3rd storage cell in the future.
It's important to have a new reservoir in this neighborhood in order to meet the growing demand of this local area. The reservoir will also be used to help us supply water downstream to areas like Surrey during peak demand.
Some unique public amenities will be incorporated into the site, such as a water feature, recreational facilities, and interpretive displays.
So we've worked really hard with the Township of Langley, including the local community, to get feedback to support their plans for redevelopment of the area. So when the reservoir is finished, the Township of Langley will put in place the Smithview Park on top of the reservoir roof. And to help with that, we've worked very closely with the Township in order to facilitate their design. The next big milestone will be to continue construction of the valve chamber up to about the ground level. Once we get to there, then we'll start to see mechanical equipment come in and construction of the reservoir itself.
Phase 1 of the Jericho Reservoir is scheduled for completion in 2020.